Hi, I'm Van with Bekaert. I'm here with Keith today, and we're going to talk about our Contractor Advantage Program, Keith.
Van, we've been working on this for a couple of years, and we're getting qualified ag install contractors across the country. And my goal is to get them in every state.
Absolutely, Keith. And what we want to do is pair good quality contractors that's going to build a quality fence that's going to last for a long time, outmatched with producers.
So Van, we're not just randomly going out there and finding these people. We're actually going out and qualifying them. We have a qualification process that we go through to get these people up on our contractor locator on the fencing.bekaert.com website.
Absolutely. And what we do, Keith, to go through that qualification is we do a phone interview with them, asking how they build fence, what techniques they use, and then we come back with a fence audit and either do it on a video chat or in-person fence audit and look and put our hands on the fence they build.
Van, it also helps these contractors out as well because it gives them the TSM connection, which is you or I. So they have a direct contact to Bekaert.
Absolutely, Keith. And you know, a lot of the fence profiles and ideals we come up with on our side comes directly from those contractors. So if they see the need for a new style of fence or they see the market trending in a certain way, it lets them reach out to us so that we can get out and help them build a fence or make a profile of fence that will fit what their need is.
Also, Van, if we come up with a new fencing product, whether it's Gripple, whether it's Bekaert, something to that nature, we will send that product out to these contractors to test first to see if we've got a good product.
Absolutely, and we really want to get that in-field testing on it. You can control certain things in the lab, but sometimes you just don't know what's going to happen when you get it out in the field. Also, it's going to give us an opportunity, or contractors an opportunity, to take advantage of some exclusive event opportunities from Bekaert.
Absolutely, Van. Building seminars, plant tours, things like that. And also, we hand out a lot of fun swag to the contractors as well.
Absolutely, Keith. So remember, fencing.bekaert.com. Go on, if you're looking for a contractor, you can find qualified contractors there, or if you're a contractor and want to be a part of the program, you can go on, do an Ask the Fence Pro, and send us a message and we'll be in touch with you.
Thanks for watching, guys.